Welcome to PFTV. To Mr. Mlambo. 1-1 draw. Thoughts on the game?
And I mean, this was supposed to be a must-win, but we were playing against a good side. And understand, the game started well. We were supposed to score within 20 minutes, but it couldn't happen. Understand? And then they grew. They grew in the game. They got a first goal. We got another goal in the second half. We thought in fact we couldn't score. Gos was the man of the match today. Goalkeeper is well. We did everything we can in Tangapada yenzakalanga today.
Another former player killed us today. I don't know what's happening, Mr. Blambo, but always we get hammered by our former players. Maybe we shouldn't release them anymore.
There's nothing which can happen. You understand? They try to prove a point. We can just segment Sundowns now. Because we didn't want to lose points. In fact, we see Sundowns, they are getting stronger and stronger. What we are supposed to do today is to win, but we have to take it. In fact, it's football after all. Maybe Sundowns now can lose, but we must just keep our head up and then spectating the game. There's nothing which we can do now.
And our coach as well today, he seems to have made right decisions in terms of bringing in right players at the right time. Do you also share the same sentiment?
Yeah, I think there was nothing which coach could have done. That's why we were playing against good side. We must remember the last time we played against CWL, I think it was MTN 8 or Kalin. We won 1-0. So you must know every time when they come here, those guys are always going to give us problems. So when we get chances, we must score.
Any standout performer for you today?
Talent Mbata was exceptional. As much as second half was because of the side nayo, but I think he was the top performer for us. Muremi assist Talent Mbata was my man of the match.
And then that one in Tanga hope of it. Can you talk about it?
Which one?
The one there, Avela one. I think it was Muremi who tried to put him in, and then it ended up skying the ball. What do you think? Because he always gets sometimes these one-on-ones, and then it seems to make incorrect decisions in pressurous moments. What do you think was the problem there?
I don't think the decision was wrong in terms of execution. I think that's the one which was wrong. He was supposed to score that goal, didn't happen. He can improve, but the decision I don't think it was wrong. Nepali was supposed to score, but he couldn't execute what he was supposed to do. So I think that's the problem.
No, thanks, Mr. Mlambo. Wopa.